Today we're going to create something new. A fully monetizable AI video that you can make easily. I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, take a look at this YouTube channel called Hominid History Hub. You can see how amazing their videos are, all created with new AI techniques. Many of their videos have millions of views. Now the big question is this channel monetized? The answer is yes, it's 100% monetized, and I'll prove it right now. First, I'll open Social Blade on YouTube and paste the channel's name or link. As you can see, it's monetized, and then check out the income. The channel earns between 4.1K and 66K per month, which is an incredible amount. You can also create similar AI videos and start your own successful channel. In this complete course, I'll show you every step, so don't skip any part of the video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube channel you plan to make the AI video for and pin the tab. On Windows, open the snipping tool and use it to crop the image as shown. Then save the cropped image. Next, open ChatGPT and now upload the image we cropped from YouTube to ChatGPT. Paste the following message. Here is an image. Write a story that perfectly matches this image. And also create an image prompt in the same historic style. The characters should also be in the same style. The story will be generated automatically, but it's short. We need a longer story, so what should we do? Just type this in ChatGPT. Give me 400-word story. Then ChatGPT will create a long story. It depends on you whether you want a short or a long one. Once the story is generated, you just have to write this next step. Now please give me 10 image prompt in detailed. Then ChatGPT will generate 10 detailed image prompts for you, all based on your story. If you want a different story or a new idea besides mine, you can also get that easily. Just open ChatGPT, upload the screenshot image you took, and type the following message below. Here is an image. Write a story that perfectly matches this image, and also create an image prompt in the same historic style. The characters should also be in the same style. Give 5 best idea. In this way, ChatGPT will also generate 5 amazing ideas for you. From those 5 ideas, you can choose any story that you like the most, or even create your own if you prefer. I've already generated my own story and the image prompts as well. Now we'll move on to creating the AI images. Let's see which image turns out the best. The website we'll use to create AI images is called Piclumen. It's an amazing and powerful AI platform that generates beautiful and realistic images. Let's open it. It's great for making cinematic or story-style images. Click on Create, then select the size. I'll choose 16.9. Next, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. But as you can see, the image didn't come out perfectly. So to fix that, we'll go back to ChatGPT and type the following message. Please replace the man with a monkey that looks like a human. Now create 10 image prompt. After that, we paste the improved prompt into Piclumen. And now you can see the exact image we wanted has been created. It looks completely realistic and just the way we imagined. In the same way, I'll keep pasting the prompts one by one and new images will keep generating. That's why I use Piclumen. It's fast, accurate, and produces beautiful, lifelike AI images every time. Piclumen is a free online AI-powered image platform that lets users turn text or existing images into stunning visuals. Its text-to-image generator instantly translates detailed prompts into art, while the image-to-image tool lets users upload photos and adjust style, content, or character references. Now all the images are ready, and as you can see, they've turned out absolutely amazing. The AI images look stunning and so realistic. Now let's move on to creating the AI voice and the AI video. Next, we'll create the AI voice, completely free. There's an amazing tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, one of the best for generating realistic AI voices. You can use it for free at Unlimited AI Tools. It also allows you to create free AI images, but for now, I'll show you how to generate AI voice. If you can't find the tool, just comment below and I'll share the link with you. Once you open the AI text-to-speech generator, copy your ChatGPT script and paste it into the box. Then select any voice you like. There are many options, but Blaze Alex sounds the best. Click Generate and remember, it can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. If your script is longer, just divide it into 4 parts to make a complete voice. Now the AI voice is ready.
They were not conquerors, nor mere hunters.
Listen to it. That's how easily you can create your own AI voice. Next, let's move on to making the AI video. To create AI videos, I'll be using 2 amazing websites. With these 2 platforms, you can easily make AI videos every single day, completely free. Use both of them, and you'll be able to create one high-quality video daily without any limits. The first website is called Degen.ai, an amazing and powerful platform for creating AI videos. It gives you 300 free credits when you sign up, which is enough to make around 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits, so you can keep creating videos easily every day. Right now, as you can see, I have over 4,200 credits in my account. That's because this ID has been active for several days. This means I can make lots of videos without spending anything. The best part about Degen.ai is that even if you don't use it for a while, it still adds new credits automatically each day. That's why this website is one of the best choices for creating AI videos for free. Now, let's create the AI video on this website. It's a really great platform. First, click on Create, then go to Upload and upload your first image. After that, copy the first image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate, and your video will start creating automatically. In the same way, upload your second image, paste its prompt, and generate the next video. It might take a little time, but once it's done, you'll have 2 amazing AI videos ready, around 10 to 15 minutes long, fully created using this simple process. The second website is Magic Sand AI, an excellent platform that provides 500 starter credits, enough to create short videos or even 10-second clips. Here's how to use it. Open the website and log in with your Gmail account. You'll find 500 plus credits available. Click on New Project, then select Upload to add your image. Next, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. The default duration is 3 seconds, but you can change it to 10 seconds if you want a longer clip. Finally, click Generate, and your video will start creating automatically. The third website is called Pixverse.ai, a fantastic platform for creating realistic, cinematic AI videos with ease. It's one of the best tools out there. When you first sign up, it gives you 120 free credits. It used to be 80, which you can use to make up to 6 videos easily. After that, Pixverse also provides daily credits, allowing you to create around 3 videos every single day for free. It's truly one of the best and most powerful tools for generating high-quality AI videos effortlessly. Now I click here, upload my first image, and paste its prompt into the box. Then I click Generate Video. It costs 20 credits per video. The video starts creating automatically, and as you can see, the AI is processing everything perfectly. Once it's ready, I click Download, and here it is. The AI video has been created successfully, and it looks absolutely amazing. So if you use all 3 of these websites, you can easily create a complete AI video from start to finish. But if you ask me which one is the best, I'd definitely say Degen.ai. It's one of the most powerful and reliable AI video tools out there, truly amazing and easy to use. Now, the AI video is complete, and it looks absolutely amazing. For the final step, I'll edit the video using CapCut, one of the best free video editing software available. It's simple to use, packed with powerful features like filters, effects, transitions, and background music. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. I'll add some effects here to make the video look even better. And now my video is fully ready. You can see how great it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to message me or drop a comment below, and I'll reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll share another amazing method. Thanks for watching.